Okay. First rates, I have to just wait for my screen to load up, and there you go. The first rates are that we are in for a soft start, but the market breadth looks better, and the market breadth I think really could be the talking point. That is what the initial rates are indicating. You want to start with the mid and the small cap indices. I'm just going to focus on some of the, just 1 second. Volume gainers here, Ola Electric, OMG, hello. 13% up or another 13% up, that makes it 125 rupees. At 75 rupees, they were struggling to get subscription. And this was not once upon a time, this was 7-8 days ago. And after that, I don't know what has changed, but the stock has certainly found a lot of takers at 125 rupees up another 15%. Vodafone Idea numbers came yesterday. Frankly, they are not the central theme for the market. It's all about how they are likely to move in terms of their debt. 16 rupees for Vodafone. Suzlon up 5% yesterday, up another 4%, that makes it 83. Inox Wind, it was up yesterday 14-15%, I think 7% higher. So markets are picking it up where they left yesterday, which is important. Stocks which are outperforming, the outperformance continues, and I am just mesmerized with Ola. I know they're launching bikes on 14, that's what Bhavesh was telling us. But, you know, Aisha, the more and more I look at financial markets, the more and more I get puzzled. I'm just asking a simple question, that this issue went public at 75 rupees. And 7 days ago, Kunal, you hearing me? 7 days ago, nobody wanted to buy. Right? 7 days ago, just barely scraped through. Institutional investors, okay. Retail guys, okay. And then 125, everybody wants to buy. In 5 days. What has changed? It's not that they've discovered gold somewhere.
Amusing.
That's markets for you. That is what financial markets are. They swing like a pendulum from extreme pessimism to extreme excitement. And that is what it is. I mean, same time last week, we were using phrases like perfect storm and a synchronized sell-off. And from there, where we are right now, it turned out to be like a storm in the teacup.
Literally. Bunch of other stocks though that you may want to just quickly look out for. There's JSW Steel. They're looking at acquiring that near about 67% interest in in one of the fields, which is for about $120 million. Look out for that. There's Power Grid as well, which has turned out to be a successful bidder under the TBCB for an interstate transmission project. Look out for that. NMDC has come out with its numbers, which are above estimates, so look out for that as well. Vodafone losses have been lowest in about 14 quarters. And of course, there is that MSCI inclusion as well, although the stock is not really much excited. There's Hindustan Copper, which has come out with its numbers. Margins have seen a huge bump up, 38.25% versus a comparable of 22.4. Revenues have risen 33% on a year-on-year basis. Happiest Minds has come out with its numbers. The dollar revenue has seen an uptick of nearly about 11%. Constant currency revenue growth at 11.4% on a sequential basis. DOMS has come out with its numbers. There's Hoodco, wherein the asset quality has seen a marked improvement. Disbursements have come in higher by almost 19 times. Hoodco is now at 306, that stock. IRFC as well came out with its numbers. The NII has seen an uptick of 2%. Profit has risen 1.7% or so. So these are a bunch of stocks which are in focus. Senco though hasn't been the most impressive set of numbers. The Q1 has been in line, but the custom duty reduction, that's going to impact the margins for the next 2 to 3 quarters. That's the word from the management. Campus Active, KPI Green, Ami Organics, HOEC, RCF, they've all come out with subpar earnings this time around. But Kunal, what's the trend that you're picking up right now? Anything that you're spotting?
I think from the market opening front, I think it's again more specific towards the market breadth. Mid caps and small caps are looking a little bit better as compared to the large cap names. So we'll see throughout the day whether the index sustains about the 24,350, 400 mark. In terms of the opening trade, Page Industries is something which has looked attractive. The stock yesterday bounced off from its 50-day moving average. So expecting a follow-through move for the stock in the next couple of days.
All right, let's get in a take from Naresh as well. Naresh, what's the first trade that you're punching in this morning?
So HDFC MC looks interesting. The stock is on verge of a breakout. Should see further moves above 42.50. So buy at current levels.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.